but a moment of restoration, reconciliation, and responsibility. Today, I'm humbled to announce the major achievement by the Newcastle municipality under the leadership of Inkatha Freedom Party and other parties that we are leading with, an achievement that directly responds to the real lived experience of our people, particularly the most vulnerable amongst us. Through persistent consultation, community engagement, and a commitment to responsive governance, we have reached a significant milestone. Our municipality has paid 2.4 million to ESCOM to facilitate the restoration of decommissioned transformers in Osizweni, Matateni, and the surrounding areas, a decision that will immediately benefit over 800 households. These are families who have lived in darkness for some close to a year and others to 2 years, not by choice, but because of systemic challenges, network failures, and unauthorized connection that made it impossible for the infrastructure to function safely. Let me make it clear, Ndabezitha, let me make it clear that this is not charity, this is justice. This is responsive leadership, and this is what the IFP and those that we are leading with stands for. The IFP believes that communities should not be spectators of government, but active participants in shaping and driving service delivery. Our government must always put people first with compassion, honesty, and integrity. IFP Manifesto 2024, it is with this very framework. Ukubeka abantu kuqala is an intervention that was conceived and implemented by the party I serve under, okuyiqembu leNkatha Inkululeko Sizwe. It reflects a values-driven approach, not governance that recognizes the human dignity behind every policy and every budget line item. As our late President Emeritus of Inkatha Inkululeko Yesizwe, uMntwana kaPhindangene, once said, Ndabezitha, ngiyamcaphuna, ubuholi bokusebenza ngabantu akukhona ukuzigqaja noma ukufuna udumo, kodwa ukuzinikela ekuhlangabezaneni nezidingo zabantu. True leadership is about working for the people, not pride or self-glory, but a devotion to meeting the needs of our people. This initiative is a living testimony or testament to the ethos. It is service before self. It is the IFP in action. The municipality, together with ESCOM, have thoroughly followed the technical evaluations, identify a group of transformers suitable for reinstatement. The amount paid covers not only tempered related penalties, but the full scope of technical work required to reconnect the infrastructure in compliance with ESCOM standards.